How to enable or disable notification badges for apps on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. After that, we scroll down to the notification style and then tap on an app that you want to change. So for example, I'm going to open up FaceTime. Now scroll down and tap on Badges. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now let's try it with another app as well. So Messages, in here you can scroll down and then tap on Badges to show or hide. So here if I go to my home screen, I have the notification badges at the top corner, and if I switch it off, you can see now it shows now it hide the notification badges. And that's it. So that is how you can show or hide badges for an app. And that's it. You can continue to do that for other apps as well. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.